When it comes to advanced robotics, the gap between having a mobile platform and having a fully autonomous system is often months of complex integration. The ROS2 R&D Kit from Generation Robots is designed to bridge that gap instantly. At its core, this isn't just a collection of sensors. It's a pre-engineered ecosystem. It features an Intel NUC high-performance computer running Ubuntu and ROS2 Humble right out of the box. For perception, it utilizes a 360-degree LiDAR for precise slam mapping and an Intel RealSense depth camera for 3D obstacle detection and computer vision. Now, let's see it in action. Mounted on the Bunker Mini 2.0. This tracked UGV is built for the harshest environments. Switching over to the Scout Mini, we see a different side of versatility. The Scout is built for speed and agility with its four-wheel independent suspension. Communication is handled via high-speed 5G or Wi-Fi, allowing for real-time data monitoring and remote control. You no longer have to worry about driver compatibility or power management. We've handled the hardware abstraction so you can focus on your high-level algorithms. The ROS2 R&D Kit, robust, versatile, and ready to deploy. Transform your robot today at generationrobots.com. Click the link to request your demo.